Hi, in this video we're going to be showing you how to assemble this dining chair, so let's go ahead and get into it. Just a quick reminder, the estimated time for assembly is 15 minutes and you don't need any extra tools, so let's get into it. First thing that you're going to want to do is make sure that you have your legs facing the right way. So you want your holes facing upwards towards you, and then just pay attention to the angle of the leg. You're going to have one straight leg and one angled leg. And that's going to be important in making sure everything lines up. Then we'll go ahead and grab our cushion, and you'll just want to make sure to pay attention to the holes on the side. One will be a bit more straight and the other one will have angled holes. And you just want to make sure that those line up with the angled side of your legs. So we'll go ahead and line this up with our legs, and then we can put our bolts in. With our bolts, you just want to make sure that you have the lock washer on first and the bigger washer on second. And we'll put these in the holes. And make sure you don't tighten them all completely yet, that way we can move the seat around to make sure all the holes line up. And once you have all 4 bolts in part way, you can go ahead and tighten them completely. All right, and once those are tightened completely, we can go ahead and put on the other side. So we'll grab our next legs and then flip this over and line up the cushion again. And then we'll put all of our bolts in part way. Once these are all in part way, we can go ahead and tighten them completely. All right, once we have all of those bolts tightened completely, we can go ahead and attach the back of the chair. So we're just gonna flip this over like this. Once again, pay attention to which side have the angled legs, which is this side. And you want your angled legs facing the back of your chair. So we'll go ahead and line these up. And once again, just put in your bolts finger tight until you have all 4 of them in. All right, and once you have all of those bolts tightened, then you're all done. We hope this video was helpful for you in assembling your new dining chair. For more guides, tips, and tricks, head on over to WEEZR14OS2.com.